Just want to say, dear Pop on Veneers, I thank you guys. Like, I'm kind of upset at myself that I didn't get the bottom ones, but I will be getting the bottom ones. I got these because, brother's getting old, teeth are getting old. I want that new Kodak. I want that new, say Kodak, Kodak smiles, for pictures, yes. I want that new Crest smile, you know. And I got my kids' braces and everything. I could never be able to get to the dentist to get my teeth right. So I seen these. They popped up and I jumped on it immediately. Here we are. Yeah. Yeah. I love these things. And the best part is I got them right before my first powerlifting competition, which I stated, which I set, let me correct myself, which I set a state record on the bench press. So of course, when I accepted this award, I had the veneers on and I hit them with that smile, baby. Yeah, I love these things. One thing you guys, before we even get further, I gotta show my original teeth, of course. Ah, I got a cavity up there, chipped teeth cavity over here. Eventually I get those fixed. But in the meantime, these work perfect. They pop right on. They fit perfect. Got to get past the impression process first. That was kind of rough for me because I got mad gag reflex. It's not my thing. And it took me about 4 attempts, but by the last one, they work with you. They continue to keep sending you the kits that you need. So it's a perfect fit. The last one, they sent me the email saying they were perfect. All I had to do was wait, and they came let's say about 2 days before my powerlifting meet. So I was, I was totally blessed to receive these things. Yeah, I wear them all the time. I love them. I love these things so much. But yeah, you guys most definitely gotta go get you a pair. They're reasonable. You can even set up payment plans if you want. But get you a pair of these. If you're tired of your old teeth and you need some new teeth, buy some new ones. Get these pop on veneers, baby. Yeah. Look at your boy. This is Get Your Greatness out here. Mr. Get Your Greatness. You out of here. Thanks again, Pop on Veneers. Peace.